Hi everyone! It's Friday and there's another Jackson's sale. It's not watercolor again, sorry, but from what I can see, it seems to be an all-out paper sale. From sketchbooks to blocks to full-sized sheets, they're all on sale. Well, most of them at least. We'd be here forever if I went through every single item, so I'll show you where you can browse them, show some product categories that watercolorists would be most interested in, and then highlight some products I'd recommend. So you can browse the products on sale by going to the Surface tab on the top, then click on Paper and Card. From here, you can click into any of these and the products will come up. So the following products are on sale: sketchbooks, gummed pads, spiral pads, stitched and stapled pads, canvas pads, blocks, sheets, rolls, cut paper packs, specialist paper and surfaces, paper stretching materials, and paper boards. And for the few products I'd like to highlight, Khadi sketchbooks. I have a review on this already and absolutely love their paper. Definitely a must-try for any watercolor artist. Jackson's watercolor sketchbooks. As I've mentioned in a previous video, it's actually a product from Kunst and Papier that has been rebranded as Jackson's. This one here is one of Jackson's newest sketchbooks. It's 140 GSM, but the price is just so affordable. I haven't tried this myself yet, but it's definitely on my list to try one day. Etcher sketchbooks are one of the few sketchbooks made with 100% cotton paper. So if that's what you're after, do check them out. They have these here called Everyday Sketchbooks, and this one where the listing says Portrait Sketchbook. Of course, I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. Oh, and this isn't part of the sale, but I noticed it as a new product. I don't know how long it's been a new product for, so for all I know, it's been on Jackson's for a while. I've only just noticed it. They're the Idori gouache paint sets from Holbein that feature a seasonal theme for each set: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And that's all I have for you today. If you do decide to purchase anything, please consider using my affiliate links below. It doesn't cost you anything extra and would really help out this channel. Don't forget, if you're a new customer, you can use my affiliate link below to get an extra 10% off on your first order. Then, on your second order, you can use the code WELCOME10 for 10% off on that one. As always, I'm extremely grateful for everyone who has used my affiliate links below. I know it's an extra conscious step you take while doing your online shopping. So thank you so much, everyone! As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.